Thinking of opening up your kitchen space? Open shelving might just be the stylish, practical update you need. But how do you make it work beautifully without turning it into clutter central? Let's explore everything you need to know about kitchen design with open shelving. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What should you display on open shelves? Stick to useful and beautiful items: plates, glasses, wood cutting boards, ceramic bowls. Mix in some cookbooks, jars, or a plant for personality. Avoid stuffing too much. Breathing room matters. Love this curated look? Tap like. Why is open shelving popular today? Open shelving is trending because it's both stylish and efficient. It makes kitchens feel more open and personalized, allows faster access to daily items, and encourages thoughtful organization. The clean aesthetic also blends well with modern or vintage homes. Like this vibe? Hit like and save it. What mistakes should be avoided? Overcrowding is the biggest mistake. Don't treat shelves like storage closets. Avoid too many mismatched items or color clashes. Stick to essentials, edit often, and remember that simplicity adds impact. Tried this setup? Like if it worked. What materials work best for open shelves? Wood is the most popular, offering natural warmth and support. Reclaimed wood brings character, while painted options add polish. Metal brackets work well for contrast. Glass shelves can add a sleek modern vibe if kept clean and clutter-free. Planning new shelves? Like this tip. What lighting works best with open shelves? Lighting enhances the entire setup. Use undershelf lights, pendants, or natural daylight to highlight textures and objects. Warm lighting helps soften the exposed elements and brings cozy charm to your space. Lighting lover? Hit like now. What is open shelving in kitchen design? Open shelving means replacing upper cabinets with exposed shelves that keep your kitchen feeling light and spacious. It offers both function and display, letting you show off beautiful dishes or everyday essentials with a clean, modern, or rustic touch. Love this light look? Tap like now. How do you mix open shelves with cabinets? Combine open shelves above counters with traditional base cabinets for storage balance. It lets you display favorite items while keeping less attractive tools hidden. This mix adds function and style without clutter. Trying this combo? Like this tip? How do you style open shelves? Start with everyday dishes, stack neatly, and leave space between items. Add greenery, wood accents, or artwork for visual balance. Limit colors and edit often for a fresh look. Styling is about practicality with personality, not just filling space. Enjoy styling tips? Give a thumbs up. How do you keep open shelves organized? Group like items, mugs with mugs, bowls together. Use baskets or trays for smaller things. Rotate items seasonally to keep the space fresh. Keeping it tidy is all about routine and intention, not perfection. Trying this at home? Hit like. Can open shelves work in small kitchens? Absolutely. Open shelves open up visual space and reduce bulk, making tight kitchens feel roomier. Just be smart with placement and choose shelves that don't overwhelm the wall. Keep them light, balanced, and useful. Small space owner, save this idea. Are open shelves easy to clean? They require more frequent dusting, especially near the stove. Use easy-to-wipe surfaces, clean weekly, and don't overcrowd. Open shelves are cleaner when items are used regularly and nothing just collects dust. Like clean spaces? Tap like now. Are open shelves budget-friendly? Yes, they're often cheaper than custom cabinets. DIY options using reclaimed wood or basic brackets cut costs further. You can upgrade your kitchen look significantly with just a few well-placed open shelves. Budgeting your remodel? Like this idea. Open shelving gives your kitchen a breath of fresh air, simple, stylish, and full of personality. By keeping things intentional, balanced, and clean, your shelves can become a beautiful and functional part of everyday life.